Hey everybody, I'm Liam,
I'm Colleen.
and welcome to Fresh Forward's F5 in 5. Today we have the Ultra LMS April 2025 release. That's right. Welcome back, everybody. Hi, Colleen. How are you?
I'm well. How are you, Liam?
I'm doing well, and I am determined. 5 minutes.
Okay, go.
Gonna do it. So we are jumping in. It is the April 2025 release. Here are our favorite 5 features coming up with this new release. This is Ultra LMS 3900.114, scheduled for April 2025. Before we jump into this release, just a reminder that we did post the March release. That was 3900.112. Here are some of the features that we picked out there, especially the pop-out rubric was our top, and we did a video focusing on that. So feel free to check that out in our videos. We're going to jump in before we do our top 5. Here are some honorable mentions, just ones to flag for you before we jump in. Course activity improvements. You can now send messages to students right from the course activity report. Note that there is the option to select students based on if they have alerts or don't have alerts. So you can use that to your advantage. Activity indicator color has been changed to purple, just an aesthetic thing. So it kind of fits the rest of the course aesthetic. And enhancing grade experience from group submissions. Now group grading has been migrated, so you can do more flexible grading inside Blackboard when you have groups. Those are our honorable mentions. So we're going to jump in. Our number 5 pick is achievement pages hidden from students by default. This is just an FYI, so that now if you've noticed that achievement tab up at the top is sitting there and students have been asking, it's now been taken out of sight until you actually use it, so you don't have to answer those questions. Our number 4 pick is the Learning Object Repository, and this one's mostly for the admin folk and for senior leadership and program areas. But now what we have is this Learning Object Repository. It's a library of content that we can populate, you can use and pull from, and it will automatically update if those items are changed. So still to be used, but it's now a feature that's available to us. Be on the lookout for that, and maybe we'll jump in as we have more items as well. Our number 3 pick is the Content Designer. You can now print documents. So if you think about how we can print tests and print assignments, now you can print documents. Both yourself and students have that option. As the instructor, it will print as if you are in student mode, including knowledge checks, which will print with all of the questions and answers. So it's a nice blank document you could distribute if you need to. And then for students, if the knowledge checks are completed, then it's going to print the way that the student has completed it, along with feedback. And if they have not completed the knowledge check, then they will see it as if it's ready to be completed. And then that brings us to number 2, which is kind of an organizational piece, or they have replaced the feedback column with actionable results column in Student Gradebook, making it a lot easier and more intuitive for students to be able to access the feedback. So the grade is posted with a new grade indicator that's purple, and then there's a button that says view for students to view their grades and feedback. And along the same lines brings us to our top pick, and that is the faculty now can see if students have viewed or not reviewed feedback. So now we've made it, Anthologies made it easier to view feedback. Now it's easy for us to see if they've seen it. That's it. That's our fifth pick. That's our top 5, and I hope that this has been helpful. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're finding this helpful. Drop-in sessions are Tuesday and Friday at 10:30 a.m. And to find those, you can find the link in the calendar in Blackboard. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time.